Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 15IRH10, powered by an Intel Core i7 processor. If you're looking for a solid laptop for work, studies, or everyday use, this might be worth your attention. Let's dive in. Starting with the design, this laptop comes in a clean lunar grey finish, giving it a modern and minimal look. It's also pretty slim and lightweight, weighing just around 1.59 kilograms, making it easy to carry around whether you're heading to work or university. Up front, you get a 15.3-inch WUXGA IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. It's anti-glare, which is great for long hours of use, and offers decent brightness at 300 nits. While it's not the most color-accurate panel out there, it's perfectly fine for everyday tasks, watching videos, and office work. Now let's talk performance, and this is where things get interesting. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, featuring 10 cores, 6 Performance Plus for efficiency cores, 16 threads up to 4.9 GHz turbo boost. This means you can handle multitasking, productivity work, and even some light content creation without issues. You're getting 16GB DDR5 RAM, which is great for smooth multitasking. And storage? A fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, so expect quick boot times and fast file access. Plus, there's support for an additional SSD, so you can upgrade storage later. For graphics, it uses Intel UHD integrated graphics. This is fine for everyday use, streaming, and light editing, but don't expect high-end gaming performance here. In terms of connectivity, it includes 2 ex-USB-A ports, 1 ex-USB-C with power delivery and DisplayPort HDMI SD card reader headphone jack. Plus, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so connectivity is fast and reliable. The laptop comes with a 50Wh battery, paired with a 65W charger. You can expect a decent battery life for daily use, enough to get through work or classes without constantly reaching for the charger. You get dual 2W speakers with Dolby Audio, which sound decent for casual use. So, is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 worth it? If you're looking for a powerful, lightweight laptop with strong performance, fast storage, and good everyday usability, this is definitely a solid choice.